Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this Xiaomi. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose Additional Settings. Now click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Keyboard. Over here, select Theme, scroll down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. Then click on the best theme for you. In my case, this one. Manage keyboards thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to, you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up and click on this plus icon under my themes. Then you can customize your theme however you wish to by tapping on one of those images. If you can find it over here, click on those three lines at the top left corner. Select one of those sources, in my case images, and tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Now pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Over here you can adjust the brightness by swiping left or right and click on Done. Finally, manage keyboards thanks to this switcher. Delete your keyboard by clicking on this pin icon and tapping on OK in the pop-up, or edit it by tapping on this pen icon and making your changes. Then select Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!